Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to replace your brake light bulb on a Honda Civic. Start out by opening up your trunk, and then on the side that you're going to replace the bulb on, I'm over here on the driver's side. We need to remove these two clips by using a flathead screwdriver. We're just going to turn the center portion of the clip out and then pull out on the center, and the clip will usually come out with it. If the outside of the clip doesn't come off with it, you can just pry it off with the screwdriver. And sometimes when you're trying to turn these out, the outside will want to spin with the center portion, and all you do for that is you just take one hand and hold on the outside and then just turn the middle out with your other hand. And then we're just going to peel back this carpet. And then from here you can see all of the plugs. This plug here is your brake light and also your tail light, and this one is just a side tail light. So depending on which one is burnt out is the one you're going to replace. They're pretty much the same thing, but this one doubles. It's got two filaments in it, doubles as a brake light and tail light. So I'll show you this one first, and then we'll do this one. So just turn it counterclockwise about a quarter of a turn and pull out, and then pull out on the bulb, and then take your replacement bulb, and I'll put the link in the description below which bulb you need, and just take it, and it doesn't matter which way it's turned, either way is fine, and then just press it back into the plug. And then you want to take it, and you want to make sure the biggest, see how there's those alignment tabs all around the plug, the biggest one, which is right there, is going to be facing me as I put it in to the hole. And we want to get it seated first, and then once it's seated, then you can turn it a quarter of a turn and lock it in. It can be a little bit tricky to get it seated, but just remember that biggest tab is facing me, kind of downward at a 45. So yeah, let's get it in there and then turn it, and it clicks in. This one, same deal. Just take it and turn it a quarter of a turn, pop the bulb out, take your new bulb, and I'll link to this bulb also. Press it in. Again, doesn't matter which way it's turned. And then this one is the opposite though. The biggest alignment pin, when you go to put it back in, you can see all the pins there. The biggest one is facing, well, you can see it right here, it's facing kind of away from you. So I want to go ahead and take that and put it in, make sure it's seated, and then take it a quarter of a turn clockwise and get it locked in. And that's it guys, that's how you change out your bulbs. Thanks for watching.